Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Sunday the 23rd of February 2020, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and Cable for the 4th week of February. And as you can see on the Euro chart, the weekly chart, it has been falling for the last 2.5 weeks, whereas the cable has been consolidating after falling, then consolidating for the last couple of weeks. Let's take a look at the euro. And since breaking below the 110 key support level, it has also punched through the swing low at the 100 Fib at a 108.79 level, and last week it spiked through the 108 but then managed to recover and rebound slightly to close as a not quite a hammer but more of a long-legged spinning top, and which is slightly bullish, so there could be some further recovery and retracement back to retest the 100 Fib swing low area, and we'll see whether it's able to break through and recover further. But for now, the support is within this zone at the 108 to the swing low at 107.78. Below that, there's another key support at the 138 Fib extension of this reversal move. So we'll see whether in further weeks it's going to reach that. But since the breakdown, it has been bearish, and it's only on the Friday of last week that it managed to recover somewhat. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, and that's the strong recovery on the Friday. We'll see whether it's able to hold on and to bolster that recovery. The fall has been exacerbated because of the US dollar strength, and which has been rallying and climbing and gaining strength at the expense of the other majors, especially the euro. Let's take a look at the cable on a weekly time frame, and we identified the support at the 55 period EMA, as well as the 78.6 Fib retracement level, and it is spiked to almost reach that level before it regained and recovered above this swing low, back above 129, but it needs to recover further to break above the 130 key resistance zone now in order to form a significant recovery. So for now, this is going to be a critical support level before it goes, if it breaks down further. There's another key support at this swing low. So on the daily time frame, and you can see that's where the 200 period EMA is, 200 daily EMA, and Friday's recovery, all at the expense of the US dollar, with poor US preliminary, poor PMIs for manufacturing and services, whereas the Eurozone and the UK side, both their PMIs were much better than expected, so that boosted their rebound on Friday, and we'll see whether it's able to continue and to recover further. Back to the weekly time frame. For the cable, it's still bearish because it's not able to recover significantly, not like the euro. So we'll see some consolidation next week within this long wick down here, and hopefully there's some support at the 129, and it could be just consolidation within this trading zone between 129 and 130. Alright, so on the weekly time frame, it is still bullish above the Kumo, whereas on the daily it's still struggling to gather momentum to climb up above the Kumo. So it may struggle for a while, and especially with the UK and European Union trade talks, that's still will take a while to iron out. Alright, so there's no major news for next week for the Eurozone and the UK, so we'll see how the recovery from the end of last week will continue. Alright, meanwhile, do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen, as well as euro, cable, and the Aussie dollar. And until midweek review on Wednesday, have a good trading week, and cheers.